Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keyboard disappeared on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up, restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search keyboard app from here. For example, this is keyboard. Click on storage usage if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache keyboard. After clear cache keyboard, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.